So how do you be productive as a freelancer? The best thing is to take action. Don't wait for motivation, because motivation comes by doing. You gotta, set up a timetable, wake up earlier, because I find in the mornings that you're the most proficient and you have more energy and your mind is more clear, because you just wake up and you're refreshed and you can, start the project and do more work. So, wake up early, make sure you have significant time slots throughout the day, especially if you're, at home, and have like an hour slot where you're just focused and you're doing that work on that project, and you're not going to be distracted, cut off Facebook and all the social media stuff. Avoid that. What I do is put my phone in the other room, or I put it downstairs, so that helps me not, touch it and play with it. So I'm just focusing on the project that I'm doing. You can also get some tools like Trello or Millernote and write down a like a dot points or like a drop down list of things you need to do. So a to-do list, or even if you want to do it on paper. And it feels good when you tick a box off, because you feel accomplished and it feels like you're making progress. So when you break that down into a little to-do list, you're going to find that you're being more productive and you're accomplishing more of your goals throughout that day. And whatever you don't finish on this day, you can always do it tomorrow. So don't feel like, don't be hard on yourself and feel like you need to accomplish everything, because you have tomorrow to finish it off. But as long as you're consistently taking action, being productive and putting in the hours, then you'll be okay. And just remember this, every day, say to yourself, show up every day. It's all about just being present, showing up and taking the action, taking the steps to push yourself forward. No matter if your work is good or bad, just produce the work. And the more you produce, the more better you'll get at your craft. So this is a few ways on how to be productive. There's plenty of other ways to be productive. And also take breaks, go for a walk outside, take a rest, see the world, get inspired by music, or go to the movies, or just do something, go to the gym and get some inspiration there, because you can't just sit on the screen all day. So that's how you be productive. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Let me know if these videos are helpful, and I look forward to creating more content for you every week.